Alright, we're dealing with a broken cable on a pop-up camper. Um, Luckily, I've been able to get it open. I've seen the videos where you go inside and you take the screw out of the end of the track that the spring runs through and your cable runs through. It says pull that screw and push the cable all the way out. And well, if you do that and you're installing a factory cable, one that you've ordered specifically for, in order to get this behind the spring, you have to pull that spring all the way out of that track. Now let me warn you, that spring is awful greasy. And when you're done with that project, Mama's going to be mad that you got greasy oil spring stains all over the mattress. I'm going to show you a much easier way to do it. Either way you want to do it, you have to take this bar apart. So you get the camper up, take this bar apart. It drops down. Feel the back of this. There's a little clip on this plastic. Take a small flathead screwdriver, stick it behind there, just like if you're mechanically inclined, you know what you need to do at this point, which is get this plastic clip out of here. If you destroy it, they do. Okay, I got it to move lightly. You just got to get it. Get it to move lightly so you can get a screwdriver up under it. And just wiggle it up, wiggle it. Back and forth, work it out evenly. Can't get it yet. Well, forgot about my clip back here. Got to make sure that clip passes it. Come out of there. Okay. Get that plastic cap out of there. Okay, now you got to go inside and push the spring. Be right back. Oh, just what I didn't want to happen. The spring is very greasy. You want to cover this thing, otherwise you will leave evidence of work on your canvas. On top of that spring is a push cap. rides like that. No, excuse me. Rides like that. There we go. And that's just how it goes back together. Here's a little clip in the back that we were getting past. Right there. Now, now you just take the spring and pull it up and let it sit there. Now you go inside and do your cable work because you have no spring in the way. Spring is out of your way completely. Now you can pull the end of your cable out, put your new cable on, put it on, we'll run it through your pulleys first, all of that happy good horse shit. And that's the easiest way to do it. Like I said, I tried the way I saw on YouTube the first time, which was take the end of the screw out of here. I had to find something that would fit in here and was flexible enough to push this spring all the way down and all the way out, get the cable out the other end. Well, in order for me to use my factory cable, I had to pull that spring all the way out inside the cabin. This nasty spring inside the cabin, you don't want that. You don't want that. And if I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty much guessing for any pop-up camper. I don't care if it's brand new or old as hell like mine. You pull the spring out this way. Now go inside, do your work. Then when you're done, you come out here, make sure you grab your rag, and you push it back down in. If it doesn't go out all the way, you got to go inside there and put a little screwdriver there and then manipulate it a little bit and make it pop into the track. Once it's in track, you're done. Clip this back together, and it's beautiful. You don't have the nasty grease inside your cabin. Okay, hopefully that helped you out.